Hello, welcome to How to Do Stuff and Things. And today I'm going to show you how to make a classic old-fashioned cocktail. Now I don't drink a whole lot, but when I do want a cocktail, I typically want something simple, something like an old-fashioned. The old-fashioned is one of the oldest cocktails in existence. In fact, it might be the oldest cocktail. Now traditionally a cocktail was just bitters, a sugar cube, and a spirit. And then as the 19th century went on, cocktails started getting a bit fancier, and people started asking for an old-fashioned kind of cocktail. And that's where the old-fashioned got its name. Now, I'm going to show you a traditional method of making an old-fashioned. There are some things that can be substituted out for other things, but this is just sort of the basic baseline old-fashioned. So what do you need? The first thing you need is whiskey. Now, you could use bourbon if you want. Here we have some Woodford Reserve. I prefer a rye whiskey, and that's sometimes considered to be a little bit more traditional. Here's a Woodford Reserve rye. You need bitters. The classic Angostura bitters. I prefer just the unflavored bitters, but you can do the orange bitters like we have here. You also need orange peel. We have a nice navel orange there. You need a classic old-fashioned glass. This is pretty important for this drink. You also need a big old ice cube. 2-inch square is preferable. Shot glass for measuring your alcohol. Something for peeling the orange. Sugar cubes right there. A skewer for your maraschino cherry. I like the Luxardo brand. The original, and I think the best. It's not that day-glow, bright, neon, nuclear-looking red maraschino cherry that you get a lot of the times. Then you also need a muddler, something that you can use to muddle the sugar, the bitters, and the water, which you also need, just about a teaspoon of water. This is optional, but I usually use water. So, how do you put all this together? First things first, take your glass, take your sugar cube, place it in the glass, take 1 barred teaspoon of water, place it over the sugar cube, take your bitters, and place 2 dashes of bitters in the glass. Got a little bit of bitters on the table, but that's okay. Then you take your muddler and you muddle the sugar and the water and the bitters together. You don't have to completely dissolve it, just get a little bit of a slurry in the bottom of the glass. Next, take your ice cube, place it in the glass, take your measuring device. We're going to use our rye whiskey here, the Woodford Reserve, and you take around 2 ounces of the whiskey. I think originally it said 1.5 jiggers was the initial measurement, but we say about 2 ounces. So there's 1. There's 2. You stir for approximately 15 seconds. That should do it. Now we're going to take our orange. This could get a little messy. Typically I'd be doing this in the kitchen. And I'm just going to use this peeler here that I have. And I'm going to try to get a nice piece of rind without getting too much of the pulp. That should work. And what you can do is twist the rind over the glass, hopefully get a couple drops or 2 in there. There you go. Sometimes you'll run it over the rim of the glass, then place it inside, and last but not least, we take our skewer, we take our cherries, and and we grab one of these bad boys. Maybe two. There you go. Place inside. And now, our old-fashioned is ready. Let's take a little drink and see how it is. Ooh, now that hits the spot. It's a perfect combination of sweet, bitter, it's dry, it's not overly strong. It's just a nice, simple, good old-fashioned drink. I love it. And that's how you make an old-fashioned. Thanks so much for watching. I've been your good friend Bradley. You've been the audience. This has been How to Do Stuff and Things. I'll see you later.